Hey guys, this is a quick update on the birds. They are growing fast. It won't be long before they leave the nest. I did a Google search and I found out that they are called Carolina wren. They're Carolina wren birds. Look at them. Their eyes are open. Their feathers are maturing. Of the 5, it looked like there's 3 left. 2 didn't make it. So yeah, this is an update on the birds and how they're looking. And not too long from now, they'll be gone. Let's have a little fun and give them some names. Drop them in the comments below.